Production. Hey there. Today, we are going to show you how to make something really fun and unique. Cornstarch chunks. These little gems are a sensory delight, perfect for kids and adults alike. They're squishy, stretchy, and can even be used for science experiments. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of water food coloring. Optional. Step 2. Mix your ingredients. Now, let's mix our ingredients together. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of cornstarch and slowly pour in 1/2 cup of water. You'll notice that the mixture is thick and lumpy. This is perfectly normal. Step 3. Add color. Optional. If you want to add some color to your cornstarch chunks, now is the time to do it. Simply add a few drops of food coloring to the mixture and stir until the color is evenly distributed. Step 4. Knead the mixture. Next, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start kneading the mixture with your hands until it becomes smooth and stretchy. The longer you knead it, the more stretchy it will become. Step 5. Form your chunks. Once your mixture is stretchy enough, you can start forming your cornstarch chunks. Pinch off a small piece of the mixture and roll it into a ball. You can make them as big or small as you want. Step 6. Enjoy. Congratulations! You've made your very own cornstarch chunks. You can squish them, stretch them, and even use them for science experiments. They're a great sensory activity for kids and adults alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun DIY projects.